hybridization of CH triple bond CH molecule. It is acetylene molecule. It has two carbons. Each carbon has valence electronic configuration 2s2 2p2, and this carbon also has 2s2 2p2 electronic configuration. Each carbon undergoes first excited state. In first excited state, one of the s electron enter into p orbital, then it has in s subshell 1 electron and p subshell 3 electron. And this carbon also undergoes first excited state. In first excited state, one s electron enter into p orbital, then it has 2s1 and 2p3 electronic configuration. In s subshell, one electron is present, that is unpaired, and here p subshell has 3 electron. These 3 are unpaired. Similarly, this carbon also has in s subshell 1 electron and p subshell 3 electrons are present. Let us see the molecule. This molecule has one sigma bond and 2 pi bond. It indicates 2 p orbitals are unhybrid, and here also 2 p orbitals are unhybrid orbital. One s and one p orbital on intermixing, it gives sp hybridization, and here also one s and one p orbital on intermixing, it gives sp hybridization. Number of atomic orbitals intermixing in this carbon is 2, then it gives 2sp hybrid orbital. And this carbon also 2 atomic orbitals are intermixing, it gives 2sp hybrid orbital. So it is the sp hybrid orbital of first carbon, and it is another sp hybrid orbital of same carbon. Each sp hybrid orbital has one unpaired electron, and for this carbon also has 2 sp hybrid orbital. Each sp hybrid orbital has one unpaired electron. This unpaired electron containing one of the sp hybrid orbital is overlapping with the s orbital of hydrogen, and here also overlapping with sp hybrid orbital of second carbon with the s orbital of hydrogen, and there is one sigma bond between these two carbons. It is obtained by the overlapping of sp hybrid orbital of one carbon with sp hybrid orbital of another carbon. Then it has two unhybrid orbitals. These unhybrid orbitals are pure p orbitals. They are represented as a dumbbell shape. It is one of the unhybrid orbital, and there is another unhybrid orbitals are present. Each unhybrid orbital has one unpaired electron, and it also has two unhybrid orbital. These unhybrid orbitals are pure p orbitals. They are represented in dumbbell shape. It is one of the p orbital and it is another p orbital. If these two p orbitals are overlapping by sidewise, it gives one pi bond. If these two p orbitals are overlapping by sidewise, it gives another pi bond. If these pi bonds may be formed at the top of the sigma bond or the bottom of the sigma bond. If the electrons are present in down the lobes by overlapping these two orbitals sidewise, it gives another pi bond. If the orbitals may overlapping here also. Finally, the compound is sp hybridized. The compound is sp hybridized, and it has two hydrogens. This hydrogen bond is formed by the sigma sp hybrid orbital overlapping with the s orbital of hydrogen, and it has one sigma. It is formed by the sp overlapping of each carbons, and pi bond is formed by the overlapping of p orbital. Total it has two pi bonds and three sigma bonds. 1 2 3. In three sigma bonds, it is sp and s overlapping, and it is also sp and s overlapping, and this sigma bond is the sp and sp overlapping. Finally, it is sp hybridized. Geometry is linear molecule and bond angle is 180 degrees.